It's another day of Vlogust, and today I just have some running around to do. So I thought I would take you along with me for the ride. So if you want to see what I've got going on, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I have got several errands to run. I've got to go to the dentist, I've got to go to Target and pick up some groceries, and I need to go by and help my mom do some things. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. I also do product reviews. These are videos about things that I think you could use in your home. So if you want to learn about those things, subscribe. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's get it started. So I got my teeth cleaned and they feel amazing. So it's one of those things that I do every 6 months, and today was the day. So now I'm waiting for the dentist to come in and do his check over, and then I'll be free to go. One of the things that we did today was we talked about toothpaste. I told Casey that I was using Tom's toothpaste, which she said she liked and had good results, but she said, does it have fluoride in it? And I'm like, I don't know. I'll have to check that out. So I'm all done, and I'm going to head for Target or Kroger, whichever one I come by first. I just need to pick up a few groceries. I'm out of a couple things, and we still have some company, so we've used up the milk and the bread and that kind of thing. So I'm going to pick up a couple extra things, and then I will head for home. And you know what? I brought along a purple smoothie to have for after I'm done. But my teeth are so nice and shiny. I kind of like, do I really want to put that purple blueberry stain on these teeth? I just feel like they're beautiful now. It's like, why stain them? However, I am hungry, so I'll use a straw. Now my husband said he heard there was a clearance, or rather a recall, on silk almond milk. So maybe I'll try a different brand today until we sort that out. I need some creamer for my coffee. I'm out of that. Thinking this is a better deal. I'm gonna get this. And now all I need is some frozen waffles, and I don't see them. Excuse me, where are your frozen waffles? I keep walking in circles and I'm a frozen breakfast on this side. I guess I just didn't come far enough. We're done. Thank you. You're welcome. I guess if I just open my eyes and just keep walking, I will find them. Now this looks really interesting. A green saver prolongs the life of produce. Well, that's not on my list. It's $19.99. but I think I'll have to come back and take a peek at it later. And oh look, there's another one too. This one's a little bit differently shaped, like maybe for lettuce or something like that. So they've got a whole series of them, so I'll have to come out here and check them out. Oh well, that's not what I'm here for today, so let's keep it moving. So now I got to get these groceries home and then head over to my mom's and help her with some things. So let's get it going. So one of the things that I picked up while I was at the store was this almond milk, and it is this Califia unsweetened almond brand, and I usually buy the silk, but my husband said he saw on TV where Kroger's was recalling the silk because there was salmonella or something in it. So I thought, well, until that's sorted out, I'll just get a different brand. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention was this coffee. Now, I usually will get the Starbucks brand at Kroger, and typically I'll try to get it on sale for like $5.99 or $6.99, just depending on what the price is. But today, since I was at Target, I thought I'll just go ahead and get it while I'm here because I have company and I didn't want to be running around. This bad boy was $11.99. Now, I could have waited and went to Kroger, but the thing about that is that I would have spent more money because I would have walked around Kroger's and picked up other things. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and bought it while I was at Target. But it was just a reminder that Target is not the place where you need to be shopping for all your groceries. It's a good place to pick up an occasional item, but if you need to be shopping for the week or the month, that is not the place to go. So I'm going to grab some lemonade and have a nice cool drink. So I'll check in later. Right now I'm going to keep it moving. So one of the things that I did do when I got home was check my toothpaste, because Casey had made such an emphasis on that you do need to use either a fluoridated toothpaste or a fluoridated mouth rinse. So I do have this Tom's Luminous White, and this particular one is with fluoride. And then I also have a Tom's Anti-Plaque and Whitening that is fluoride free. So there's that. And then this was during the time where little Zoe was here, so I checked the mouth rinse that her Grammy brought with her, and it was the Act Children's, and it was a fluoridated rinse. So that was good to know. And I just want to take this opportunity again to thank Casey for taking the time to talk with me and share with all of you information that is so important to good oral health. And if you missed that video, which aired yesterday, I will put an iCard above and then also put it in the description box below so that you can take a peek at it. So be sure and take a look at that. Now here's my question for you. What part of today's adventures did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust.